Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I am going over customization number 4 for the FabFitFun winter box of 2023. I am very excited to get into this because so far I've really liked everything in customizations 1 through 3. There's been a few items where I'm like, but overall the winter box is looking really good. I want to know down below what you guys are choosing in customization number 4. Definitely go to the other videos and let me know what you're going to be choosing for those categories as well, and let me know what your second choice or your third choice would be and all of that in each category. Don't forget to thumbs this video up if you are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. Don't forget to subscribe, it means so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I haven't seen anything in customization number 4, so everything that I'm going to be talking about I'm not going to know until I'm seeing it. So it's going to be a surprise for me because I just want to know, is FabFitFun still great? It used to be. Then I'm like, I'm over it. It's all repeats. It kind of sucks. Now I'm looking back and I'm like, you know what? Let's see if it's worth it now. So our very first spoiler is from by Rosie Jane, Dulce Travel Spray, a $28 value. So it's not a full size, which is fine. It's just, you know, it's not a full perfume. It says, if you're looking for the perfect stocking stuffer, look no further than this travel spray. The compact size packs in a powerful yet sweet scent of vanilla with hints of hinoki wood and nude musk. Pro tip, applying to moisturized skin so the fragrance will last longer. That's interesting. I didn't know that. I wonder if that's with like all of them. Anyways, next up, we have the This Works Deep Sleep Overnight Cleanser, a $20 value. So if there are two things we love, it's great skin and great sleep. Not only does this cleanser buff, smooth, and brighten the skin while helping to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, the Deep Sleep functional fragrance helps calm the mind before bedtime with the potential of calling in a good night's sleep. Talk about beauty rest. I have several of these like sleep situation products from him. I have a candle. I have other things. I haven't really used them. I have lit the candle, and I didn't reap any benefits, but you never know. It could work, you know, based off person to person. So, I mean, it's definitely an interesting product for sure. Next, we have Sewing Down South Cooking Apron in Perfectly Plaid, which is a $30 value. It says cooking can get a bit messy, but this apron ensures your clothes will stay clean while you're whipping up all your holiday faves. Created from hand-painted art, the festive design evokes seasonal vibes between the adjustable neck strap, the perfectly placed pockets, and the water and abrasion-resistant material. This will be our kitchen companion from appetizer to desserts. This is actually really cute. I love how it's very like fall vibes. It's not giving me winter vibes, but it's giving me fall vibes, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with fall vibes any time of the year, honestly. It's just my jam and butter. Like, I have no objections. Next up, we have from the brand Slip, the Skinny Scrunchy Trio Ornament in Candy Blush and Primrose, the colors. It's a $22 value. It says another stocking stuffer worthy choice. These scrunchies are delicate on your hair, leaving your locks crease-free and your hair products where they belong, in your hair, not your scrunchie, thanks to the non-absorbent silk fibers. Okay, I feel like this is a little underwhelming as like a choice because they're just hair ties. Unless you're someone with hair that's very sensitive, like, I feel like this could be something you would be interested in, but like, it's just hair ties to me, so it's not anything interesting. Then we have the Melissa Wood Health Yoga Block plus a 1-month subscription, which is a $28 value. So it says whether you're a yoga lover or trying to get a head start on your New Year's resolutions, this yoga block provides extra support and comfort for various poses. This choice comes with a 1-month subscription to the Melissa Wood Health platform filled with yoga and Pilates classes, meditations, nutrition guides, and informative articles. I do have to say that when I first saw this block, I'm just like, this is boring, this is dumb. At least we're getting a fit product. But when you get a month of like yoga and Pilates, meditations, nutrition guides, and all the things, I feel like that in itself is a really great like deal. And you might even find yourself loving it and continuing with it. So it's just good for like the fit aspect, mental health, all the things. So I really do like this, considering it's more than just a block. And then we also have the Topicals Faded Under Eye Masks. It's a 6-pack. It's a $22 value. It says, even during the busiest times, we're looking at you, holiday season. At least you'll look well rested thanks to these cooling under eye masks, a powerhouse combo of ingredients from niacinamide to caffeine, brighten, and depuff. So at least you can look de-stressed. So in my customization number 1 video, I mentioned how FabFitFun was one of those things where the first, second, or third customizations are like amazing. You want to pick multiple of those items, but you can only pick one, except for you can like do the plus, like you can add or whatever. And then the further down, it's one of those things where you really don't want to choose anything kind of thing. This feels like this category here where everything, the value is just not that high, which is the exciting factor. Is like, let's see if I can get my box value to be super high. The products in here aren't really exciting, like under eye masks, not exciting. The hair ties, not exciting. An apron, that's kind of cool. The overnight cleanser, I love cleansers, but that's not exciting. And the tiny little perfume spray, I mean, not that exciting. Honestly, the best items in here is definitely the apron and the yoga block and the subscription for sure, because like you get all of the things, so it's kind of like a free trial. But that's only really if you're someone who would be interested in doing that. If you know that you're not gonna, you know, get down and do the stuff, that it's not going to be worth it to you. So for me personally, because I know I'm not gonna commit to that, I probably wouldn't pick that. But if you're someone who would and really wants to commit, this would be great for you. For me personally, I really don't want to pick any of these, but if I had to choose, I would probably go with, goodness, oh gosh, it's between the hair ties, which is not exciting, and the apron, which I would never use. But then again, if you know someone who actually uses aprons, then this is one of those categories that you're like, okay, let me find an item that I can gift someone, because I'm just not going to use any of that. So for me, I would probably pick the scrunchie for myself. Everything else is like, what is something someone else would like to have, you know, as a gift. So that's what this category definitely is. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Are you excited about anything in this category? Because it's just very underwhelming. This is where we get into like the categories that are very box filler to me. So anyways, that is it for this video. If you loved it, let me know down below. What are you picking? What's your second choice, your third choice, and all of that jazz. And yeah, thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.